fuzz. Well, I was still on a buzz in the back of the van with my head in my hands, just like a bad dream. I was only 15. If only my brother could be here now. He kept me and he saw me out right. I knew I should have stayed at home tonight. Locked in the cell, feeling unwell. I talked to a man, he said it's better to tell. Who sold you the blow? Well, it was no one I know. If only you tell us, we'd let you go. We'll make it up for you, my son, so tell us what you know. We'll make you wish you stayed at home tonight. My mum, well, she knows what I've done. Just tell them the truth, you know where it's from. You blackened our name. Well, you